Okay, what we have here is a Delta 14-inch bandsaw, made in the USA. Comes with a stand, and there's about 4 or 5 blades at the bottom. Right now there's a 1-inch blade on it, and we'll turn it on here. It's very quiet. It's a nice saw. Let me see if we can get a little closer here. There we go. And we'll turn it on. Here it runs pretty nice. We get a piece of wood here. There's a 1/4-inch piece of wood. If you want, you can cut some pretty tight radius. Blade's very sharp. Cuts very well. Now, some of the features this saw has is when you change the blades, you change them here. There's the wheels. The belts are in good shape. It hasn't seen a lot of use. It's got, like I said, the wheels on the bottom. What else can I tell you about it? On the back side, let me turn around here. Let me move the camera. Now, I hope you can see this, but right here, these are the sides of blades, so you know when you tension, you can get them tensioned right. This here is for centering the blade in the middle of the wheel. And this rod here, let me show you, this rod here is for tensioning. This is your tensioning gauge right there. It all comes as one package, and I think that's about it. Thank you.